Are you a more vertical floater, meaning your feet dangle down when you don't do anything? And you're kind of anxious to what do I do with these legs? How do I get these legs to help me out? This is what I'm going to show you a little tip in today's video. So in this video, I've got my son, who actually is not very buoyant. You can see his legs are dropping down. This happens to a lot of people. And then he's using just a kick to plane himself off, using his arms to power him forward. He doesn't necessarily have to keep maintaining the kick as he goes through. So the reason why this is really an important and effective thing of learning how to use your legs just for repositioning to start with is most people aren't very good at flutter kick to start with, so it doesn't power them forward. And it's very easy to learn how to use your arms to power you forward. By using your legs in this discovery way just to plane yourself off, it makes your swim easier on your shoulders. You can use your arms to easily move you forward. Use this kick as this beginning way of kicking just to get you more planed off. Remember, it's all about fun, it's all about playing and discovering how your body and the water works together. Don't forget to download your roadmap to see where you're at in your journey to learn to swim. Aloha! Just popped out of the pool to pop in and see, would you love to share Calm Within Adult Swim with your friends or your students? We have an affiliate program. Pop down on the links, see if it's right for you to earn a little commission and share a little love.